Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move apps around on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use Prime Video more so than you use the Hulu app, and so you want to go ahead and move it around. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto the homepage of your Sony Bravia 7 TV. And then we're going to go ahead and highlight the Prime Video app. Grab your remote, and then this plus button right here, you want to press and hold that. And it's going to say move. So click on move. So now you can go ahead and move the app to whichever position you want. And there you have it. Afterwards, click on done, and it's going to go ahead and save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and move apps around on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.